This is the Microwear L3 Professional Sports Smartwatch. It's really thin, about 10 millimeters thick, nice TPU band on it, and it does phone calling, the kind of calling that's tethered to your phone. So you can make and receive phone calls directly from your watch, hook it together with Bluetooth, and receive notifications as well from your phone. You have a health section with heart rate, pedometer, and last night's sleep information, a sports section covering all these different kind of sports as well as history. You have a toolkit with alarms, calculators, calendars, and an onboard stopwatch. Oh, and speaking of stopwatch, a button up here that activates the stopwatch, a button down here that takes you right into your pedometer count, the center button takes you home, and beyond the toolkit, you have a remote section for doing all of those good things, Bluetooth camera, playing music, anti-loss, and your overall settings, which are typical for any watch like this. Again, this is the Microwear L3 Sports Fitness, and it's a nice little watch.